I'm back on my own, gotta put it in drive. Sat through the pain while I said I was blind. Too much emotion and pressure makes stress. I put that on myself but can't put it aside.
Okay, so this is about to be insane. I have been seeing things about this lately on Instagram and different places like that, but apparently I guess this girl does vocal covers online and she goes by the name REEBZ, R-E-E-B-Z. And yeah, apparently she sings with her bird and he's featured on this cover that we are about to do right now. But before we get into this, if you would please kindly just smash the like button for me. If you like reactions like this, then hit that subscribe button. And if you are one of my followers already and you haven't heard yet and you want to see more of these that aren't on YouTube, you can go to my Patreon right now. I will be posting content on there every week, all throughout the week. And also, if you have any song requests, you can go to Ko-fi.com/BT Reacts and you can request a song for $5 and I will react to that song within 24 hours. But enough of all that. We are not going to waste any more time. This is Bring Me the Horizon, Can You Feel My Heart, cover by REEBZ and Metal Parrot. It's legit a parrot. Hold up. Stop. That was not the bird. How is he on time? His pitch? Like, no, this is not real. This can't be real. First of all, her vocals are sick. She is crushing this already. She legit sounds like the female Oli Sykes. Like, that is crazy. Are we joking right now? Ooh, that's beautiful. What is Bro, what? Like, humans can't even hit these notes. Like, what is going on? And the fact that it's on video, like, I'm trying to process this right now. And, like, I'm like, all right, so maybe, like, you know, the bird made these noises and then she just kind of edited everything into... But nah, bro, this is on video. Like, I'm watching this in real time, and the bird is legit making these sounds in those exact moments. Like, this bird can feel the beat. It knows when to come in. I know birds are, like, very, like, highly trainable, but, like, how do you even think to train a bird to do this? Like, did bro just start singing along while she was doing covers and she was like, oh, you know what? All right, get in on that. Like, what is happening? How is he not just even on time, but his pitch and everything is insane. Her vocals are sick. It is absolutely crazy to me that she is not even just nailing this, but she's also kind of like doing it in her own way still, yet it still sounds so close to Oli's, but unmistakably like clearly her own. And the way she is transitioning from her regular voice into those almost like shrill type of screams is crazy. She's perfected this. This is nuts. Beautiful harmony. Bro.
I'm scared to get close. I hate being alone. I long for that feeling.
Oh, I love her voice.
The higher I get, I can't drown my demons. They know how to swim. I'm scared to get close. I hate being alone. I long for
Let's go, little buddy.
to not feel it. I can't drown my demons. They know how to swim. I'm scared to get close.
Ooh.
I hate being alone.
Yes.
For that feeling to not feel it. The higher I get, the lower I'll sink. I can't drown my demons. They know how to
This is insane. Let's go. Oh. He said, woo! What did I just watch? That was insane. Like that was real. That really just happened. How? How does this bird know how to sing on pitch, come in on time, knows its parts? Like he knows. He's like sitting there. By the way, I'm assuming it's a he. That's wrong of me. But it knows like exactly when to come in. Like he's sitting there like, all right. Like, how is he doing that? I'm just baffled. And her vocals, like, honestly, this was such a blessing for her. Like, obviously there was some thought put behind this, and like knowing a bird is capable of doing this and posting this online is gonna get attention. But like the fact that she was able to get the bird to do this, she's going to be getting so much attention. It's not even funny. This video I put on was posted 4 days ago, and it's up to, I think it was millions already. Millions of views. Like, she just got discovered basically because of her bird. And rightfully so, though, because her vocals are sick. And like I said, the way she switches between her singing falsettos into her screams and shrills, and it's legit perfection. Like, absolutely amazing. I am enamored right now. I am already a die-hard REEBZ and Metal Bird fan. I want a shirt that says REEBZ and Metal Bird. Like, start the merch because I'm buying it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Let me know. Like I said in the beginning, if you haven't yet, hit that like button. Helps me out a lot. And other than that, I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.